Bitcoin. It's a word that's been thrown around a lot, often surrounded by hype and confusion. But what exactly is it? Simply put, Bitcoin is a digital currency. That means it exists only online. It's like a virtual version of cash that you can use to buy things. But here's where it gets interesting. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin isn't controlled by any government or financial institution. Instead, it operates on a decentralized network called a blockchain. This blockchain acts as a public ledger, recording all Bitcoin transactions. Think of it like a digital book that everyone can see. When someone sends Bitcoin, the transaction is added to this book. This makes Bitcoin transactions transparent and secure, but it also raises questions about its future. The story of Bitcoin begins in 2008 with a mysterious figure named Satoshi Nakamoto. To this day, no one knows the true identity of Nakamoto. Some believe it's a single person, while others think it's a group of developers. Whoever they are, Nakamoto published a white paper outlining the concept of Bitcoin. This paper described a new peer-to-peer electronic cash system that would eliminate the need for intermediaries like banks. In 2009, Nakamoto released the first Bitcoin software and mined the first block of the Bitcoin blockchain. This event marked the birth of Bitcoin. The first Bitcoin transaction took place shortly after, with Nakamoto sending 10 Bitcoins to a programmer named Hal Finney. These early days were experimental. Bitcoin was virtually unknown outside of a small group of cryptography enthusiasts and programmers, but it was a glimpse into a future where money could be digital, decentralized, and accessible to all. Over the years, Bitcoin has experienced its share of ups and downs. From its humble beginnings, it has grown into a global phenomenon, attracting investors, businesses, and even governments. Here are some key milestones in Bitcoin's journey. 2010. The first real-world Bitcoin transaction takes place. A programmer buys 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. Today, those pizzas would be worth millions. 2011. Bitcoin gains wider recognition and its price surges, reaching parity with the US dollar. This sparks the first wave of interest in cryptocurrency. 2013. The price of Bitcoin experiences extreme volatility, soaring to new highs before crashing down. This highlights the risks and rewards of this emerging asset class. 2017. Bitcoin's price explodes, reaching an all-time high of over $19,000. This surge in price brings cryptocurrency into the mainstream consciousness. Section 4. Bitcoin Today. Navigating Volatility and Adoption. Today, Bitcoin stands as the most well-known and valuable cryptocurrency in the world. It has come a long way from its experimental days, gaining acceptance as a legitimate form of investment and payment. More and more businesses are adopting Bitcoin, allowing customers to buy goods and services with the digital currency. Tesla, Microsoft, and PayPal are just a few examples of companies that have embraced Bitcoin. However, Bitcoin remains a volatile asset. Its price can fluctuate wildly, driven by factors like market sentiment, regulation, and technological advancements. This volatility makes Bitcoin both exciting and risky. Section 5. Bitcoin's future, a decentralized world or a passing fad. The future of Bitcoin is uncertain. Will it continue to grow and become a mainstream form of currency, or will it fade away like a passing trend? Only time will tell. Proponents of Bitcoin believe it has the potential to revolutionize the financial system. They argue that its decentralized nature, security, and transparency make it a superior alternative to traditional currencies. Skeptics, however, remain cautious. They point to Bitcoin's volatility, its potential for illicit use, and the environmental impact of its energy-intensive mining process as reasons for concern. Section 6. Conclusion. The potential and uncertainty of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's journey from a niche concept to a global phenomenon is a testament to its disruptive power. It has challenged conventional notions of money and finance, offering a glimpse into a future where technology reshapes how we transact and interact with value. Whether Bitcoin ultimately succeeds in its mission to create a more decentralized and accessible financial system remains to be seen. But one thing is certain. Bitcoin has sparked a conversation about the future of money, and that conversation is far from over. So, what will the future hold for Bitcoin? Will it fulfill its potential as a revolutionary force in finance, or will it succumb to the challenges that lie ahead? The answer to that question is yet to be written, but one thing is certain: the world is watching.